Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Fenix 6 video. In this video, I'm going to do a quick comparison between all of the different models of the new Fenix 6. There are actually 9 different models, and then on top of that, there are some special edition models as well. I've created a Google Docs presentation that should clearly show all the differences between the models, so you can hopefully buy the one that works best for you. Before we get started, I just want to say that I currently have a Fenix 6 Sapphire, and I've done reviews and tutorials about the watch, so check the description to find that. And also in the description, I'll have affiliate links to all the different Fenix 6 models on Amazon so you can get them there. And please use those links if you'd like to support me. All right, so let's go on and get started. So really the first thing you need to know about the different models of the Fenix 6 is that there are 3 different sizes. You have a Fenix 6S, which is a little bit smaller, the Fenix 6, which is going to be kind of the standard mid-range size, and then the Fenix 6X, which is the largest size. Now all of these change in the available features, the battery life, different things like that, so we'll go over that as well. When looking at the price range here, you can see with the Fenix 6S and Fenix 6, the price range is pretty close, between $599 and $1,000, but when you get up into the larger size of the Fenix 6X, you're talking anywhere from $749 up to $1,149, so that can get very expensive. All right, so let's move on to the features that differentiate these 3 different sizes. So as you can see, very big differences between the size. You're gonna have 42 millimeter with the 6S, 47 with the 6, and 51 with the 6X. I have a wrist that is a diameter of 7.5 inches, and the 47 really works great for that. I find that it fits well on my wrist and it looks great. My wife has a wrist that is 6.2 inches in diameter, and the 6 is just way too big for her, so I think a 6S would be better for her. So definitely people with a little bit smaller wrist want to get the 6S, but there are some trade-offs with the smaller size. As you can see, you get a smaller display, with the 6S having a 1.2 inch display, the 6 having a 1.3 inch, and then the 6X having a 1.4 inch display, and then the resolutions go with that as well. You also lose some battery life. The 6S has 9 days of battery life, where the 6 has 14, and then when you get up to the 6X, you get 21 days of battery life, and there's also an option with the 6X to have solar built into the display, which can add an additional 3 days of battery life. So big differences there, and really, for me, the most important thing here would be to make sure that the watch fits correctly so that you're comfortable when wearing it. And that's why it's also important to look at the weight of these watches as well. 58 grams with the 6S, all the way up to 93 grams with the 6X. Now with the Fenix 6 and the Fenix 6X, they do have some titanium versions that will get a little bit lighter, and we'll get into that later. And I can tell you from my experience, it is definitely noticeable with my Fenix 6 how heavy it is compared to my other watches that I've had in the past from Garmin, such as the Forerunners, the Instinct, or even the Vivo Active 3. So just some things you want to keep in mind when differentiating. Let's get into the Fenix 6S and talk about the differences there. So as you can see in total, there are 8 different types of the Fenix 6S, and this includes color and things like that. You have the Fenix 6S, just standard, which is $599, the 6S Pro, which is $699, the 6S Sapphire, which is $799, and then you have special editions of the Sapphire that go up to $899. This is a look at all of the available different styles that they have as well. Moving on to the features for the 6S. The Fenix 6S that is $599, so this is going to be the standard version of that. This is missing a lot of features here. You're missing all the internal music storage, so you won't be able to have music on your watch. It can control music that is on your phone, so it can control that, but you won't be able to have music preloaded on your watch. You also don't have any of the preloaded maps, such as topography maps, golfing, or skiing, different things like that. That's a pretty cool feature you will not have access to. 6X will also not have Wi-Fi, so you can't create courses. You'll not have the heat maps for the trend routing, which shows popular areas for activities to be performed, so such as hiking trails, running trails, things like that. You won't have access to that. A lot of limitations there for the $599 6S. Now the 6S Pro, basically the biggest difference is you're going to get all those features that we're missing from the standard 6S. Now when it comes to the 6S Sapphire, you're going to have 2 main upgrades. You're going to get a sapphire crystal lens, which is scratch resistant, so you shouldn't have to worry about getting a screen protector. And then also the bezel is going to be made out of a diamond-like carbon, so it's going to be very strong, and you should not get scratches there. Moving up to the special edition models. These models are more for style. They're $100 more than the Sapphire, and really the biggest difference is you get some suede or nylon bands, and then some different colors with the rose gold. So really nothing there from a feature standpoint. It just will look a little bit different based on your preference. All right, so let's move on to the Fenix 6. So the Fenix 6 is similar to the Fenix 6S, and the price ranges right here. As you can see, the standard model is $599, the Pro $699, Sapphire $799, and then some special edition models that can be anywhere from $899 up to $1,000. So same thing with the 6S. The standard Fenix 6 that is $599 is going to be missing the same features, such as the internal music storage, the maps, Wi-Fi, and then the treadline routing and trip course creator. So you will not have those features for $599. When it comes to the 6 Pro for $699, you're going to get all those features, and it's going to weigh about 83 grams. Moving on to the 6 Sapphire for $799, the biggest changes here are going to be the Sapphire lens, and then you get the diamond-like carbon on the bezel. So this is actually the version I got so far. Very, very happy with it. Moving on to the special edition versions of the Fenix 6. These do have all sapphire crystal lenses, but you do have some differences from the 6S here where they do have titanium versions. So the 6 Sapphire weighs 83 grams. If you get a titanium version for $999, it actually will drop 11 grams and it only weighs 72 grams. So for the extra $100, you're going to lose about 11 grams, which is pretty cool. Also, the bands available are leather, titanium, and nylon. So for the Fenix 6, while the special edition models do change the look and the style of the device, you also can get some savings there in the weight if you get the titanium version. So let's move on to the Fenix 6X. This is the largest size here, the 51 millimeter size. And as you can see, there are 5 different styles available. There is no standard non-pro Fenix 6X model. All of the Fenix 6X models will include the maps, the Wi-Fi, the trend routing, all those kind of things. So they don't have a kind of non-pro model. With the Fenix 6X Pro, it's going to be $749. This Fenix 6X Sapphire, anywhere from $849 to $949. And then you have a very special model. This is going to be the Fenix 6X Solar. And this can be ranged from anywhere from $1,000 up to $1,149. And this actually has a solar panel built into the perimeter of the display that actually charges the battery on the go and can add additional days to your battery life. So let's move on to here. So the differences between these models, you have the 6X Pro that's going to have all the different features. It weighs 93 grams and it's $749. So this is not lacking anything really from a feature perspective. When you get to the Sapphire, this is going to have the Sapphire lens. It's going to have a bezel made out of the diamond-like carbon, so it should be extra strong. But you have 2 different models here. You have an $849 version that has the silicone band, kind of like what I have, but you can also get a leather band. So that's this one right here that kind of looks really cool with this leather brown band, really nice styling to it. Then we move on to the Fenix 6X Solar. The lens on this is going to be different than any of the other lenses available for the Fenix 6 models. This is going to be what's called power glass. So this should be closer to the standard glass, which is a Corning Gorilla Glass Class 3, but it's not going to be scratch resistant like the Sapphire Crystal. Now there are 2 different models here, and they range anywhere from $1,000 to $1,149. Both of these watches will be fully titanium, so you do get some big weight savings of around 11 grams when compared to the 6X Sapphire right here at 93 grams. Now with the bezel, this is actually a typo. This will be a diamond-like carbon covered titanium, and then the other style is just going to be straight titanium, with the case on both of them being made out of titanium. Now when it comes to the band, you can get either the silicone band or a titanium band. But currently the 6X Solar is the only Fenix 6 with a solar panel built into the display, and you do get some extra battery life there. It does depend on how much sun the watch face gets though. But it is a lot more expensive, so you just have to decide if it's worth it for you. All right, so that was a quick comparison between all the different Fenix 6 models. Hopefully this helps you when you're trying to decide which Fenix 6 is for you. It is a little bit confusing. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fenix 6 videos, including in-depth tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.